We're going to pay for your first 3 years worth of maintenance. First 3 years, or 3 oil changes and 3 tire rotations. Depending on the vehicle you purchase, that can save you anywhere from $250 to $300. The reason we're doing that, Ivan, is we've got a terrific service department. You don't know that. We're willing to pay you to use our service department so you can experience it. And we have a deep-seated belief that once you do that, you will continue using our service department. But the first 3 maintenances on us, again, can save you $250 to $300. Any questions on how that works?
How often you can get it done?
You can do it based on the service recommended intervals by the factory. So if it's a Chevy and it says you need to change the oil every 10,000 miles, we'll change the oil for you every 10. We'll pay for every 10,000 miles. If it's 7,500, we'll pay for the first 3. It's going to depend on what type of vehicle that you buy. Okay. Normally there'll be a dashboard light that'll come on and tell you it's time for servicing. When that dashboard light comes on, bring the vehicle in here, and we'll pay for the oil change and the tire rotation. Cool?
But only 3 times. Right?
Only 3 times.
Cycles.
Right. That's how I understand it anyway.